Kuru juba dig du wan ta la ken wan ji dollar ben kan je ka gal. Karan chinam karang je yo digi go cham.
While the coronavirus pandemic has been the major issue in the UK and many countries worldwide in 2020, in South Sudan it is just the latest in series of crises which have piled out on top of another, leaving 1.3 million children in this new and under-resourced state likely to suffer from acute malnutrition in this year. Anthony Rama, South Sudan Country Director for International Development Agency Tear Fund, said, "It's not just coronavirus, people are facing multiple challenges. Last year there was serious flooding which wiped out crops and brought waterborne diseases. We are concerned that the next rainy season, which normally starts in August, will bring more flooding. There is ongoing intercommunal violence despite efforts to make peace sustainable, and that's why it is hard for individual households to build their own livelihood or grow food. The restrictions around the coronavirus pandemic add to this difficulties because travel and economic and social interaction are limited. This is why it has been so hard for families to make sure children can eat properly and why we are seeing more children becoming malnourished. In South Sudan, many children go hungry and many more don't get enough essential nutrients. Poor quality water brings recurring bouts of diarrhea, and access to healthcare is made difficult by factors such as long distances, poor roads, mass flooding, and now this restriction due to coronavirus pandemic. Let's have a look on a report. And it is really very shocking and disappointing that in 3 districts in South Sudan there is only one agency named Terra Fund is running feeding programs, and said, "We know there is much more need than we are able to meet at this moment, and more we want to do. And we are just training volunteers to educate other mothers on nutrition and hygiene. This alone is hugely helpful. Hope getting volunteers out into community makes a significant differences." Millions of mothers in South Sudan are battling mighty problems, of which coronavirus is just latest, but they are not without hope.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.